In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields in Pipedrive under Deals and Persons. Custom fields are really useful when the default options in Pipedrive aren't enough for the way you work. Maybe you want to track a specific industry, a product line, a lead source, or any detail that's unique to your business. Setting up custom fields in the right place will make your pipeline, filters, and reports much more powerful and easier to understand. Let's start inside your Pipedrive account. First, look for the gear icon, usually found in the top navigation bar. This icon opens your main settings. Go ahead and click on it to enter the settings area. From here, find and select the option called Data Fields. This is where all your standard and custom fields are managed. Think of it as the control center for the information you want to store on deals and people. Once you're in the Data Fields section, you'll see an option to Add Custom Field. Click on that. Pipedrive will then ask you where you want this new field to live. You'll be able to choose between deal and person. Choose deal if the information is specific to a transaction, such as deal value qualifiers, project type, or contract length. Choose person if the information is about the contact themselves, like their role, preference, or any personal attribute that helps your sales process. After you've chosen whether this is a deal or person field, you'll be prompted to set it up. Start by typing the field name. Make this clear and descriptive so your team immediately understands what should go there. For example, instead of just writing source, you might write lead source marketing, if that's more specific. Next, select the field type. This is important because it controls how data is entered. You might choose a text field if you want free-form notes, a single option or multiple option list if you want consistent, reportable values, or a number or date field for more structured information. Take a second to think about how you'll use this field in filters and reports, because that can help you pick the best type. When you're happy with the name and type, simply click Save. Pipedrive will add your new custom field, and from that point on, it will appear on the deal or person detail view, ready for you and your team to start using right away.